So it's been a year and the project finally started. It's finally started, everyone. So this project that we're going to discuss at the moment is a project that is been goes to KDK, Kurdewata Karya, and it's been calculated by them. And suddenly, it's not suddenly. Finally the client decide to not using Mr. Wayan from Kurdewata Karya because about the cost issue. Again, this is something that we really need to know from the beginning if we want to work with the contractor. If you choose a very proper company that's already have like a very well organized and structured for their working method, there's for sure they will add like a margin, quite some margin based on what they gave as their service for the client. So from the Kurdewata Karya gave the best service that I know from all the contractor that I've been worked through together. So, but it's a pity that the client, Mr. Walid, doesn't match the price budget with the quotation that has been given from Kurdewata Karya, and he decided to do it by himself by choosing a worker that provide only their human resource to do the progress without being a contractor. So as the worker only. So all the material will be provided by the client from Mr. Walid itself, and the worker provide their human resource to do the project only. That's the situation at the moment. So, but before that, let's review a little bit about the project. Okay, that was the previous situation about the project. So basically, this project is being handled by Pak Agung, the builder team, and being supervised by our partner from PT DAP. So before we go further about the project, I would like to say something to all the you guys that watching this video, for our client and our new people that watching this video. So in Gauri, we have divided the company into 3 companies. So first is our company, the main one for the Gauri, and we have the other company, PT DAP, that's specialized for contractor and supervising in quantity surveyor team. So because a lot of demands, and we find many situations that quite have some requirement that I need to provide for them, but I cannot provide from our studio, such as supervising, project assistance and drawing assistant, and also contractor, because we are only studio team. So I decided to develop a new company called PT DAP. This is led by Mr. Lelo Madi Adriana. That's the leader there for the contractor. Lelo is his cool name. And what they do at the moment is doing a supervising for Mr. Walid. So this is the things, guys. If you want to build something, if you want to build some project, but you don't know what to do, you don't have experience, but you have the money, as usual as the client, you have the money, but you don't know things about building, develop something and supervising, you search the expert and tell them to watch the project, make a schedule and report. This is something that you can choose, but you need to spend your time more to gather material such as logistic, provide the cement, the coral, the sand and everything for building development. Basically, you spend more time. That's why it's getting cheaper than the contractor. So the things that you get from the Kurdewata Karya is the price that one package, you doesn't need to see the project, you even doesn't need to go there. You just need to check the progress by phone, by your email or something else that you can get from them from the report. That's the thing. So if you choose with this the other way, like you handling the project by yourself, please decide to choose a supervisor. Even it's not going with our team from PT DAP, but you need to choose from other expert team for the supervising, because every details matter in building. You need to do it properly. But anyway, let's go to the project discussion. Speaking about the change that we have for the project of Mr. Walid at Kaba, the main change is about the structure for the retaining actually. This is the first thing that he or our client really wants to be redesigned. Why? Because we need to cut the cost. We shorten the space between the building and the pool. Before it's very long, the staircase has been changed, the retaining has been shortened, and we find a solution to reduce the cost to to set up the perimeter wall and the retaining wall. You know what is the difference? The design before is very stunning. It's like a temple, like a high building with all view that can be seen very well. But now it's still good, but some part we have reduced some point to get the very proper cost as the client wants and the client provide for the project. And the other thing that changed is some detail part on the outside, such as the barbecue area, like the pool. We do some change and development, upgrade more beautiful as they requested. We have some like a sunken sitting area on the outside near the pool, and also waterfall there on the wall. So this is something that we changed a little bit about the exterior area or the hardscape and landscape. But anyway, the setup is still the same. The setup of the building, everything, basically it's still the same. So I think that's about the design. So, what I like from this project is the view. Mr. Walid tells that also because he wants to stay there with his wife to enjoy his retirement later. So even though the building is only one level, it's still okay because the position of the building itself already on the highest point. And in the back area, it's going down to the riverside, and after the river area, we will find the higher land. So imagine if you stand on the buildings, facing to the view on the back, you will see the pool, the garden, the river, then a land across the river that with the beautiful rice field and the jungle view. And also the special part is we have the sunset point there. It's very beautiful. I love it. So I think that's it for now about the discussion for this project. This is the second video, and I think later we're going to see the latest part where this project will be finished, because it's already a long time in developing the design and the building. Finger crossed, I hope this project can be finished this year and we can review about the design, finishing and everything. So everyone, thank you for watching. Stay tuned in our channel, Gauri Art Division Studio. Bye bye.